In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this bantu-knot-out hairstyle. Hi everyone. Oh my gosh, it has been such a long time. I don't even know where to start. I mean, we just went through, are still going through, I guess in some cases, a global pandemic, but on this channel, I don't know, how long has it been? 2 years, 2.5 years? In any case, I'm back. I'm doing well. My business, as you know, I think I announced here that I launched a business and that's going well, thank God. My family is doing great. My career is also doing well. For those who don't know, I'm a pharmacist and I also have a background in biochemistry and molecular biology. And as I said, family is doing well, hubby's great, my kids, Angie and Corey, are doing amazing and they are keeping me busy. Anyway, I'm back now. I'm gonna be posting regularly, so, subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss out on regular content on here. So anyway, I'll be showing you how to achieve this look. This is a bantu-knot-out. It is one of my favorite looks. So I'll be starting out with freshly washed hair. I already had my hair in sections before washing and I applied leave-in conditioner in the shower. And so when it comes to the bantu knot hairstyle, I love doing it on stretched hair. In my opinion, I think it looks better that way. And there are various methods in which you can use to stretch your hair. The three most common that I'm aware of are blow drying your hair, braiding your hair in sections, so single braids, that really stretches it even more so than twists. And then finally, African threading. But in this video, I'm gonna be using the blow dry method. Now, I'm not an advocate for using excessive heat on your hair. However, if you use it every now and then, use it sparingly. And in this video, I'm going to be using it on the lowest. I always use it on the lowest heat setting, not just in this video. Lowest heat setting with the highest velocity of air helps me dry my hair very quickly. And so I'm not having to use heat on my hair for such a long time. So the next thing I do is to apply hair oil on my scalp. I apply that and I massage it in. And then after that, I apply my hair butter by AnjieKore, yours truly, to each section of my hair. So if you feel like the section is too thick, you can obviously split that into two and then apply the hair butter. After applying the hair butter, you can go ahead and apply a heat protectant if you like. I am not doing that in this video just because, again, as I mentioned, I'm doing the lowest heat setting. I'm not making the air really hot and the highest velocity that I can so that I blow dry quickly. Also, I'm not necessarily going for a super straight look. I still like some texture in my hair, so I really am just stretching it more so than going for that really straight look. But if that's what your preference is, go ahead and use a heat protectant. Next, I use a Denman brush, a Denman paddle brush to brush the section. And I start at the ends and then work my way up. It's important for this style for it to look really nice. It's best if your hair is properly detangled. Now, I didn't show this on camera. I already started my detangling process before I even put shampoo on my hair, but I kind of take that as a journey, not a destination. So I start out with detangling my hair before shampooing and then sort of work my way through. And so this is the final step. I apply the hair butter, and the hair butter is really nice because it makes my hair very soft. And so brushing it is not a problem at all. So I start at the ends, as I mentioned, and then work my way up. And then once I'm done with that, I twist my hair back because I want to keep it stretched, and then I move on to the next section. After I'm done blow drying all of the sections, you can choose to add a hair mousse to each section if you like. I'm not doing that here just because I'm not really going for a super flexible hold. The thing about mousse is that it gives you some hold, but I'm not planning to carry this style for a long time. I think I'm gonna put it in twist like tomorrow or something. So I didn't really want to add that hold, but if you want to have this last a little bit longer, go ahead and add a hair mousse. You can use any one you like, but this is the one I use and I really like it. And so once you add the mousse, then you start to do your bantu knots. And so the way that I do it is to twist. It's like you're twisting your hair, but also wrapping it around at the same time. And as I'm wrapping around, I wrap around the base of the knot, not the top, but the base of the knot. And you sort of do that till it's secure. Now, some people like to use those little elastic bands to hold it. I personally don't like to do that because in my opinion, it's a nightmare to take out, and because I can't see my own hair, right? So it's a nightmare to take out and can lead to breakage. So I find that once I twist it well enough and wrap it around, my ends stay pretty secure. I mean, I have maybe some loose ones here and there, but I kind of go back and ensure that they are secure. And then once I do that, that's it. I just move on to the next section and I keep twisting. You can make your knots as big or as small as you like. And once you're done with all of the knots in your head, I just covered mine with a bonnet and went to sleep. So it's the next day and I'm going to be taking down my bantu knots. But before I do, I oil my fingertips with AnjieKore Hair and Scalp Oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. And then I start to take down my knots. By the way, the reason I oil my fingertips is to prevent frizz. So I do that and then I start to take down the knots, and it's very easy. I just find where my ends were tucked and then I just pull gently pull and then unravel, and it just falls through. Once you're done unraveling each knot, you can move on to the next till you're done with your entire head of hair. And then I start to separate, and the reason I separate is because I like a full look. I like my hair sort of big, but of course you can separate to your desired fullness. And there you have it. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I really enjoyed making it, actually. It's good to be back. Anyway, I hope you learned a thing or two about how to do this hairstyle for yourself. If you want to try it, go ahead and do that. And let me know in the comments below if you did try it. How did it work out for you? Take pictures, post, and tag me on it. My IG handle is @SimplyFunmi, so go ahead and tag me on those pictures. Anyway, go ahead and please subscribe. Help your girl out, especially now that I'm back. And go ahead and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss content from me, especially because I plan and intend to post more regularly on here. Again, please share this with your friends or whomever. And thanks for watching. I will catch you next time. Take care. Bye.